Welcome back, guys. This is going to be the next episode of My Little Pony, The Bird and the Hoof. Let's get right into it. I have nothing to say. I just want to get this season over with.
There you go, Mr. Mousy. Now you stay off that leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all. Aw, you're welcome. Happy to be able to help.
What's that bunny again?
You found a watch? You wanna be a watch?
Bruh.
You're running. Running out of time? No, you're late?
Late for what? Look at her face.
I'm late for a very important date. The big brunch for Princess Celestia at Sugar Cube Corner.
Oh.
Oh, the princess is here in Ponyville for a party, and we all promised we'd be there, but I'm not there. Oh, do I look alright? Do I need to bring anything? Maybe I shouldn't go. Ah, it's starting. I'm missing it. Oh, thanks, Angel.
So his name is
If you
Angel?
hadn't reminded me, I might have not remembered, and then I wouldn't be there, and every pony would be wondering where I was, and... Oh, I'm late.
She came back again!
Oh, okay then. See you later.
My little pony, my little pony.
Oh shit. Wrong, wrong one. Yo, that's just funny. So his name is Angel. We've seen that bunny, I think, twice. So this would be our third time seeing him. And we never knew his name until now. That's nice. Angel. Angel, angel, angel.
So, what do I have to do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards, anyway? Is the pay good?
Is the pay good?
Hello? Anybody home?
What the fuck? What the hell, Bravo? You're...
Ooh, you're good. Too good. I'm bored.
Phew, made it.
Whoa.
Who goes there?
No one. Never mind. I'll go home.
It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
Thanks, Twilight.
I'm so glad you could make it, Fluttershy. It wouldn't be the same without you.
That's efficient.
How's every pony doing? Good? Good.
Hey, Celestia, what's up?
Anything else we can get for you, dearies? I mean, esteemed guests.
Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Sorry I'm late. I had to finish taking care of a patient first.
Oh, you and your tender, loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will.
Why are you so worried?
I thought I was the only one who got nervous at social gatherings.
Oh, it's not that. I just want the princess to approve of my friends.
But she's already met them all
She's met us
before.
And read about you in my letters. But this is the first time she's spent any real time with you. I want every pony to make a good impression.
Well, I'm sure you have nothing to worry about. Besides, it's just a casual get-together, right?
Don't touch me! Watch the dress! Careful! You're gonna spill that on me! Oh, that looks delicious. What is it? Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me!
Or
What the fuck is her problem?
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again?
Bruh, oh
Which am
my
I
god.
supposed to eat first? Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
it's okay, Twilight. So our friend's manners aren't perfect. I doubt the princess will even notice. Woohoo! It's candy surprise! Oh my! chocolate fountainy goodness. You gonna eat that?
What the fuck is your problem?
A thousand pardons, Your Majesty.
That's
Yo,
quite all
Pinkie
right.
Pie, that was damn straight rude.
Empty teacup at 4 o'clock!
I see it, honey bun.
Oh, thank you.
Not at all, Your Highness.
Thank you again.
Oh, but of course, Your Majesty.
Gotcha.
What the hell?
Fluttershy, is it?
Me? Oh, yes, Your Highness.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small.
The fuck is that?
More to me than the well-being of all my subjects.
What the fuck is that?
Philomena, my pet.
Your
Now,
pet?
Do say hello to our gracious hosts.
Okay, look, bruh. That thing needs serious help.
Oh, my.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
Yeah, if you like looking at the face of death.
Anything like it.
Or cancer. Whichever one fits better.
Really? Well, if I must. I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short. The mayor has requested an audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
You're here for like 2 minutes. Bro.
Phew. Now I can eat some. I'm starved.
Damn. That's big tough. Damn.
Stay right where you are. All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move, and my dress won't get hurt. Stay back! Back, I say!
The fuck is her problem?
Well, Spike, I don't know for sure how things went with the princess, but at least no big disasters happened.
She took the bird.
Oh, you poor little thing. How did you ever get in such bad condition? Don't you worry, Philomena. I'll nurse you back to health.
What kind of fucking bird is that anyway?
She's obviously just far too busy to care for
Is it a
herself.
cuckoo bird? You know, it kind of reminds me of that fucking, that chicken from, Moana. Nice.
Oh my, we better get you to bed right away. There.
Nice. What the fuck? What the fuck? Have you ever just tried putting both of them on there? Like the blanket and the... No? Alright, I thought I'd ask.
This is far worse than I thought. You needed some medicine. Stat! Here you go, Philomena. This will fix you right up.
Bruh.
Dr. Fluttershy expected that. Always works.
Why'd you tell me that? Oh.
Almost always. There's nothing like homemade soup to cure what ails you. Come on now. You're not gonna get better if you don't cooperate. See? It's delicious. Good and good for you. Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 woo woo!
Yeah.
Oh dear. Don't worry, Philomena. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing. Look, Philomena. I brought a fellow feathered friend by to cheer you up. Hummingway here was sick once too, but he let me help him and got better in no time.
Nice.
Didn't you, boy? Say hello to your new friend, Philomena.
Aw.
Aw, look. I think he likes you.
Ooh.
Your turn now, Philomena. Go ahead. You can do it.
That face. Ugh.
Good try. I know what'll clear up that tickle in your throat. A humidifier.
Humid what? Oh, that.
Refreshing. How's that feeling now for you, Philomena? Better?
Oh my god, that's too cute.
Oh.
Eh.
That's okay. I know lots of other ways to take care of you. Don't worry, you're gonna get better. How about aromatherapy?
No.
Warm bath?
What the fuck? It's an angry bird.
Ointment?
Ooh, damn. Oh, damn.
Scalpel. Surgical tape.
Surgical tape.
Feathers.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, Philomena. I thought it would be easy to nurse you back to health, but I've tried everything I know. And look at you. You're worse than ever.
Looks the same.
Hi, Fluttershy. I just wanted to drop by and say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on the princess today. What is Celestia's pet doing here?
I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help.
Oh, no. This is bad.
How could I just walk away and not do anything?
She
It's
doesn't
called.
belong to you.
Yeah,
I
you
had
just
to do
stole someone's
something.
pet.
Without telling any pony? Without asking permission?
But
I know you have good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's pet.
But- you're right. Okay, let's...
Jesus Christ, dude, that bird.
If we hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes she's missing.
Hi. Oh, wait there, huh? Yeah, look at that face.
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here.
We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Really? You don't say! It's that dry night air?
But it's daytime.
Well, day air's even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet.
Oh my fucking god.
Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop. Bye! Phew. What are you doing?
Going to return Philomena, remember?
We can't now!
Why not?
You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
Do you?
Well, no. But it can't be anything good. She might banish you from her
I mean, she
presence,
seems pretty chill.
Or
Pinkie
throw
Pie
you in a
did steal her fucking cupcake.
Or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes you to.
You really think the princess would do that?
No, not really.
Granted, that probably won't happen. But do you want to take any chances?
All that really matters to me is that poor little Philomena here gets well.
That's very noble of you. I'll write to you when you're banished.
I'll write to you when you're banished.
There's no post office. Then then you'll have to write to me. Deal?
But there's no bus.
Alan, you just have to help me get Philomena healthy, and then we can return her to the princess. And everything will be fine.
Ugh, it looks like a.
Did you give her any kind of medicine?
I tried to, but she wouldn't take it.
Ugh, then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make her straighten up and fly right.
She can't fly.
No excuses.
No excuses. Eat the fucking pill.
Done. Okay, what else?
Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean.
There you go.
Damn, that is big tough.
I don't think she likes it.
Tough love, baby.
Tough love, baby. Tough love, baby.
Well, she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
One step ahead of you.
It's for your own good, Philomena, I promise. Please, just relax and try to get some sleep.
What's the soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philomena. She wouldn't need it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right.
She'll eat it.
Hey, where are you going?
No, Philomena, come back!
No, here we go again. What the hell? What the fuck? Don't tell me they actually fell for that. What the hell?
What are you two doing? Are you having a race? Oh, can I play? What did they go?
Okay.
Excuse me.
Hey!
What the hell?
Pardon? Put me down!
He picked up Rarity.
Tarnation!
Sorry, but we've got to find
Princess's pet bird!
Philomena, come down from there. You'll hurt yourself.
What the fuck? Did it just die?
I'll catch you.
What the fuck? Yo.
What
What
is
the
going
fuck?
on here? Twilight?
Yes, Your Majesty. There's been a terrible accident.
It's all my fault.
No, Princess. Fluttershy didn't know any better. It was my fault.
I'm the one who did it.
But you were only trying to help.
Some help I was.
Will you let me do this? She'll go easier on me.
But it's my fault.
No, it's my fault.
No, it's my fault. Wait, what are we talking about?
Bruh.
Thanks for trying to protect me, Twilight, but Princess Celestia, I'm the one who took your pet bird. I really was only trying to help the poor little thing. Then I was gonna bring it right back to you, honest. So, if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, then that's what I do.
This is ridiculous.
Oh, stop fooling around, Philomena. You're scaring every pony.
What? What the fuck? Yo, it's a phoenix.
I don't understand. What is that thing? What happened to Philomena?
This is Philomena. She's quite a sight, as I said, but nothing unusual for a phoenix. Isn't that right, Philomena?
What was that noise?
A phoenix?
A phoenix is a majestic and magical bird. While it appears healthy and happy most of the time, every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers and bursting into flame. Rather melodramatic, if you ask me. It then rises from the ashes, fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix. I'm afraid mischievous little Philomena here took the occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy. Say you're sorry, young lady.
Aw.
So, aren't you gonna banish me? Or throw me in a dungeon? Or banish me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
Of course not, my little pony.
Roll
Why
credits.
on earth would you get such an idea?
I have no fucking idea. I have no clue.
Imagination.
Fluttershy really did do everything she could to try to take care of Philomena for you.
And I do appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child. But all you had to do was ask me, and I could have told you Philomena was a phoenix and saved you all this trouble.
Yep.
I know. I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hooves.
Should I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
No, that's quite all right. I think I can remember.
Aw.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Philomena. No hard feelings.
What did she say? Should go over there and what? Oh, tickle him. Another really good episode. Do 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 do. But that was a little over dramatic there at the end. Why the fuck? That bird really pretended it died and then burst into fucking flames. It was fucking playing with it. That's dead ass. But other than that, this was a really good episode, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.